The Green Star Spring Clean really means enhanced productivity because the value of getting a Green Star rating is maintained, but the process is simplified. We've listened to what our clients wanted, which was the same great outcome, but for less time and cost, and that's what the Spring Clean delivers. We now have 75 buildings certified through Green Star, all the way from Matori Bay in the far north, right down to Dunedin. And there are now project teams that can deliver Green Star very cost effectively. We wanted to do something that would help both the experienced teams and the ones new to the process. The Spring Clean has been a big project for our team, but it's been an absolute priority.
So Spring Clean is made up of 4 main elements. The new and improved credit templates that will make the whole process of compiling a submission much easier for the GSAPs. There's the built streamlining for projects that have been through a design rating and now want to go for a built rating. There's the energy producer statement, so now project teams may choose if they want to have an accredited energy modeller who can sign a producer statement rather than submitting the full energy modelling reports. And lastly, there's the reduction in compliance requirements, which will strip out a lot of the documentation that was previously required.
So the new Green Star Spring Clean is going to benefit both the client and the GSAP from start all the way through to the finish of the project. It's going to provide reduced documentation, reduced time, which in turn reduces the cost involved with the submission. It's important to note though that it's not going to reduce the robustness of the tool. It's also going to make it easier when transitioning from design to build, and this is especially important when there is a change in the project team.
The Green Star Spring Clean initiatives have now been included in the Green Star Accredited Professional Training. So anyone who goes on the Accredited Professional training courses from now on will learn all about Spring Clean. We've asked you what you thought about Green Star, and we've listened to what you had to tell us. So we've been working really hard with Spring Clean to make everything more cost effective and easier to pull the documentation together. We've talked to GSAPs and assessors about the improvements that we've made, and we've had really great feedback from them, and they think that it's really going to improve the whole Green Star process. So we're excited to hear from you about how you find Spring Clean and the changes that it makes in you compiling a submission together, and any other feedback that you'd like to give us.
I think the 2012 Spring Clean by the Green Building Council and crossover tools will seriously improve efficiency for the GSAPs submitting the information, and also for the assessors, and the new PDF templates will make life a lot easier for GSAPs uploading information.
So the 2012 Spring Clean of the Green Building tool has proved to be a great improvement on the current situation, both for GSAPs putting together submissions and for the assessors. With the cut down of having duplication and documentation, it's made it simpler, less conflict, and it's easy to assess, and it's easy to submit, because instead of having maybe 2 pieces of documentation, we've reduced it to 1, and so overall the efficiency of putting together your submissions has improved dramatically.
We focused on what's great about Green Star and why tenants and owners value it as a mark of quality and achievement. The Spring Clean clears out the cobwebs and strips out the parts that were adding the least value, but keeps the essence of Green Star.